Should I look pretty for the camera? Hey. Anyways, hi guys, Jeff Rosky here at the new Janky workshop, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Although, I should probably just stop saying that, since really everything we do is a little different. We don't do the same thing over and over again. Something that I really want to learn how to do is learn how to wax canvas.
Wax on, wax off.
So basically, take some cloth. So this is some fabric I got from Joann Fabrics in the cut-offs bin. Yeah. For a few bucks. And I have a couple ideas what I want to use that for, but nothing solidified yet. So in the meantime, however, I want to learn how to wax that so it becomes waterproof. So I picked up this Otter wax fabric dressing, and it requires us to do the following. Remove label before use. Hold on to the label so the next time you use it, you know what you're doing. It doesn't say that, but place in 1.5 inches of cool water. Simmer on medium heat. Reduce at 180 degrees. Wait until the wax is uniformly melted. Use a brush or soft cloth to apply. Allow excess wax to drip back into tin. Apply pressure to prevent encrusting. Only use as much wax as can be absorbed. Rub onto fabric with fingers for uniformity. Remove tin only when completely cooled. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area before. Always test on a small, inconspicuous. I can't freaking talk. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area before use. I think by small, inconspicuous area, it means this entire piece of fabric. Notice this is a different piece of fabric. That's because it is. Because my camera died while I was filming last one. So I'm going to do another quick round on this other piece that I did not get to, so I can show you how to remove the wax. So, time lapse mode. Alright, now that we have a layer of wax in there, what you want to get is a Bondo scraper. You can find these at your local home goods store, but these are fantastic for removing wax. It says to even out with your hands and stuff like that, but really that doesn't work. So I found a Bondo scraper works the best. You just get under there and you pull off every bit that you can. And sometimes you're going to need to have to clamp this thing down because it just wants to move. So. Thank you guys very much for watching. This video was on how to make waxed canvas. So hopefully you picked up a new skill. Obviously I have little ways to go with my style here. I still have some wax to pull off of this one. But I have some ideas for projects that I'm going to use this for. So those can be coming in upcoming videos. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.